So again, this ballad, a rebel song, The Boys of the Old Brigade, was written by Paddy McGuigan. I'm playing it in the key of G. It has just 3 chords, the 3 major chords from the G major scale, and they are of course G major. We have C major, which is the 4 chord, and D major, the 5 chord. It's in 4/4 time, and I'm using a pick strum rhythm to accompany it. So what I mean by that is I pick the 1 beat, and that's a very strong beat, dominant beat in this type of a song. 1, 2. So I pick the root note and strum on the 2 beat, and I pick on the 3 beat and strum on the 4 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for that pick on the 3 beat, I will usually use an alternate note for a bit of variety. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, pick, strum, pick, strum. So 1, 2, 3, and on the 3 beat I'm picking that D string, the 4th string. Now, like in all songs, you need to go with the flow of the song and the flow of the lyrics. Sometimes you'll have an up strum, you can introduce it, and that really has to come through how you feel. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm still hitting the 1 beat and the 3 beat single notes, but after that I'm introducing some up strums. 1, 2 and 3. The important thing is to make sure you get that 1 beat right and the 3 beat right, and after that just go with it. So for the C chord then, the root note is the 5th string, and I'm 1, 2. Now you can alternate that with the 4th string for the 3 beat, 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can alternate it with the 6th string, but you need to fret that 3rd fret. If sometimes people fret the chord like this, I usually do. And then the D chord, the 1 beat is going to be the root note, which is the 4th string. So 1, 2, and the 5th string, 3, 4. If you find the accuracy a problem picking that 3rd beat in particular, you can strum your way through 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. For the introduction, I'm simply picking out the notes of the last line of the verse, and the tabs are in the resource section if you're interested in just looking at those. Two, three, four.